rap and say, me heart beating pattern and sin, me soul tune in between. Me turn off the world for a while. Silence teach me more than file. The breeze bring chords from tree. Me learn whole life in a melody. No need knives fi connect. Me rise with sun. Me soul reflect. Them talk plenty, but no say. Me hear your voice in the rain. Play me on a frequency them can't hear. Me talk soft, but me truth clear. Me feel frequency in my spine. The same line that stars align. Me dip on frequency. Me nah need the crowd for feel free. Certain vibes just no resonate. Me move slow, elevate. Me no chase fast man race. Me walk calm in divine space. Them want me fi rage, me choose peace. Them want me fi sell, me release. Me guard my sound, protect my mind. Me reason more with moon and time. Me on a frequency you can't fake. My energy no build for break. Me feel frequency when me pray. My spirit tune in your way. Me ride the frequency while Babylon lose identity. Me hear me ancestors drum. Me hear the earth and me know me place when me stay still. Me feel me path when me follow will. No screen, no app, just breeze and sun. Me download from tree. Me upgrade me being for free. So if you lost, slow your pace. Nature still teach grace. Tune out for tune in. My frequency speak within. No matter who loud out there, my vibration stay aware. Me walk between note and light. My step quiet, still shine bright. Me on a frequency that can't be bought. My spirit tune in deeper thought. Me feel frequency from soul to air. Me chant low, but my message clear. Me on frequency. You can't distort energy. Me float on frequency. Your code inside of me. Frequency. Feel it. Breathe it. Live it. Tune in. Leave it in.